Good evening, or maybe good morning to everyone around the world, around the web, here on site, or behind your computer screen. Welcome to this first live Manitou keynote. It's a great pleasure for me to welcome you today on behalf of Manitou. My name is Laurent Bonheur. I'm the Executive Vice President in charge of global sales and marketing for Manitou. Over the past few weeks, we've been teasing you with a very exciting new product announcement. It is now time for us and for you to discover our brand new machines dedicated to your needs as professionals in the construction industry. Manitou is a pioneer. And as a pioneer, Manitou has opened new markets all around the world. It all began 60 years ago with the invention of the first ever rough terrain forklift for the construction market. Today, Manitou is the equipment suppliers to millions of customers all around the world in construction, in industry, and in agriculture. In 2016, construction represented 46% of the Manitou Group global sales in this construction. And 2/3 of this activity in construction was done through rental companies. The construction industry is, as you all know, the biggest industry in the world, with over 200 million people working on metroplex building and infrastructure projects. Recent economic studies forecast a very strong outlook in the very near future, and they expect high, sustainable growth in this sector. Accelerated globalization and emerging markets will double in size over the next decade. This means extremely strong opportunities and activity in building and infrastructure projects. The global construction industry is projected to grow from $8 trillion in 2015 to $10 trillion in 2020 and up to $15 trillion in 2030. Isn't that huge? Isn't that massive opportunities for all of us in the construction business? What do you think? New technologies will enable the reinvention of building and infrastructure projects. The expectation is nothing else than a 20% reduction in total life cycle costs of a project, as well as a substantial improvement in quality, safety, completion time, all this bringing into no loss of profitability, but increase in profitability. Ladies and gentlemen, around the world and on the web, let me tell you one thing. Manitou will be a key player to address those challenges. And this is why we're very proud today to present you two new rotating machines, two new rotating telehandlers, a 30-meter machines and a 24-meter machines, which will provide exclusive solution to this market. For more than 25 years, Manitou has been the leader in designing, innovating, rotating telehandlers. And today, 1 out of every 3 rotating telehandlers in the world is a Manitou. Can you imagine that? It is amazing. It is just amazing. The Manitou rotating telehandler, also known as MRT, is the solution for users who are needing higher reach and heavier lift capacities to be more productive on their job sites. Is an MRT a crane? Is it a telehandler? Is it an access platform? Well, it's all of it in one single machine. And that is why we call it internally a 3-in-1 solution. The MRT product range provides lift heights going from 14 meters to 32 meters, in other words, from 45 feet to 105 feet, and a load capacity ranging from 4 metric tons to 5 metric tons, in other words, from 8,000 pounds to 11,000 pounds. MRTs can easily be transported to and from job sites thanks to their 4-wheel drive capacity in all types of terrains, and especially in crowded, congested, and narrow construction sites. The MRTs are also extremely valuable in special applications requiring precisions thanks to an extremely wide range of Manitou attachments, which includes jibs, skips, winches, access platforms, you name it. Ladies and gentlemen, the first machine we'd like to reveal to you is the MRT 3050. The lift height is 30 meters, in other words, 105 feet, and the load capacity is 5 metric tons, in other words, 11,000 pounds. This machine will suit any construction market requirement when it comes to quality, safety, price, and let me tell you, this is a very price-effective machine, and most important, increased productivity. Our second machine is a 24-meter MRT, which is the perfect compromise between compactness and high capacity. Now, we originally wanted a 6-ton machine, just to be the best in class, nothing special. But operators kept asking us for more and more load capacity. And our engineers have succeeded in increasing the load capacity from 6 metric tons, in other words, 13,000 pounds, to 7 metric tons, which is 15,000 pounds. Now, can you imagine that? You ask your engineer for a 6-ton machines, and what do they come up? With a 7-ton machines at exactly the same price. This is quite incredible, and that is why I'm so proud to introduce you today to the new 2470 MRT, the rotating telehandler with the largest capacity in the world. And this is per se an outstanding achievement by our engineering team. Now, let us discover now how these two machines have actually been designed.
Today the world is changing very fast. The needs of our customers are changing. There is a sort of continuous evolution on that. We understood and realized with the marketing teams that the market is asking for higher machine in order to make our customer able to work in higher position. They are asking for highest machines, more capacity in these machines, more performance in low charge, more versatility. Also, we must be able to do that, but having a very easy-to-use machines. With this machine, you can do a lot of different jobs, and you could do that in a very limited space. In fact, with these machines, we are replacing certain cranes usage because the cranes are more expensive, but also from the dimension point of view are bigger than our MRT range. We try to put in place all those features in this new project.
The world of the telender is every day in evolution. For this reason, we accept to develop a new rotate telender. In accordance with the marketing department, we develop day by day the right machine. It took over 3 years of work. It means over 4,000 hours of conception and over 2,000 hours of test in every kind of condition. The new model has to be in accordance with the customer request. It means more performance and an easy way to use it. All branches of Manitou Italia worked together and we are very proud of our results.
With this project, we took the opportunity to be innovative also on the manufacturing process. In fact, this project is a little bit changing certain assembly methods. So all the team were very proud to be involved in this activity in order to be able to produce and assemble in the best ways as we can these products. It was a very nice teamwork example for everybody, starting from the assembly line until to the quality department.
Sono molto contento di aver partecipato a questo progetto innovativo per le grandi soddisfazioni per la produzione Manitou Italia, ma per tutto il gruppo Manitou.
Sono molto orgoglioso di questo progetto che ha presentato la Manitou Italia. È un progetto molto bello e spero che sia il futuro della Manitou Italia e il Manitou Group.
In questi 10 anni la tecnologia ha fatto passi da gigante nel mondo e Manitou chiaramente non poteva essere da meno e sono orgogliosa di farne parte, di averne fatto parte.
Everybody were involved, everybody were proud, with passion, as usually have in these plants, because the Italian guys like a lot of this kind of products.
Wow, what a great product, what a great... What a great project, what a great product, what a great team, with full of passion, bags of energies, and plenty of fantastic ideas. We're lucky enough, ladies and gentlemen, to have them with us tonight. I kindly ask them to stand up, and I suggest we all give them a warm round of applause because they deserve it. Now, let me introduce you to Thomas Chenet, who is Manitou product manager who led this entire project. Thomas, the floor is yours.
It's now or never.
Thank you, Laurent. Welcome.
Good evening to everyone. Good day also everywhere in the world. I'm very pleased and it's a real pleasure to introduce you all the big innovations that have been done on those products. They are the right machines for your job sites. First of all, the new chassis with a new structure. Bench sheets have been fitted in order to afford more strength, more rigidity, and more performances, and also more protection on components. For example, all the hydraulic and electric lines are directly integrated inside the structure. Like this, they are really protected. This machine is equipped with a 176 horsepower engine, which drives all the function as the transmission and the movement. You will be able to have big strength and a lot of speeds. The engine drives the hydrostatic pump for transmission and the LS pump for the movements, and there is no worry at all to do both at the same time at max capacity. Both machines have also been designed to perform the access for the maintenance. And like this, they enhance your total cost of ownership. The engine bonnet opens fully to give a complete access on the engine and also the batteries. The main components of this machine are directly accessible in order to save time for the maintenance. You will reduce the maintenance cost, like on the greasing points, on the turret, on the bearing, and also on the filters. The dashboard screen displays maintenance and engines information, helping the driver to be more reactive when the maintenance is necessary. Those machines are connected machines with Easy Manager. Let your dealer handle the maintenance at your own convenience. Keep it longer, reducing completion time. Performing the maintenance will increase and improve the machine's lifetime, its resale value, and your TCO. Now, the pentagonal boom, patented by Manitou, offers more precision and more performances. All the hydraulic lines are fitted outside the boom to have great access for the maintenance. All the chains for extension and retraction are placed in the upper part of the boom in order to reduce its thickness. Like this, the global weight of the boom has been optimized to perform the rich capacity. But security and safety are the key points of your daily work. The MRE 3050 and the 2470 are fitted with a new system for stabilizers. They are the longest ones on the market. They can be extended up to 6.25 meters. The main innovation is on the detection of the ground pressure. The stabilizers use strain gauges in order to inform about the ground contact. In this way, with those sensors, we have more precision, more accuracy on the information, and in this way, the machine will be safer. Also, the stabilizers are all equipped with lens sensors. Like this, the machine will adapt proportionally the maximum capacity with the length of the stabs. Let's go on the cab. The door angle has increased to make the access easier. In this way, the steps are doing a wheel scale up to the cab floor. When the machine is stabilized, the electrical scale will add one step more on the bottom part and make the access easier. The electrical opening of the door unlocks the door directly from the ground position. Also, on the cab, a new heating system. The machine is equipped with this new heating system and a new cooling system also. And this is due to the new swivel we are using on it. The engine coolant and the air conditioning gas are going through this swivel. In this way, there is no longer the heater in the front of the cab or the AC compressor on the back. More efficiency, less noise. In this way, the driver will have more comfort. Once you manage the internal temperature of the cab, all the information will be displayed on the dashboard. This dashboard has been also redesigned in order to be clearer, and more user-friendly. At last, but not at least, the global design of the machine has been completely renewed. For example, the shape of the new counterweight is more fluid. The cover in the front of the cab is thinner in order to increase the visibility in the front of the forks. To sum, all those innovations are making the machine easier, safer, and more performant for all your daily work.
It's now or never.
Amazing, amazing. Thomas, thank you for presenting those innovations. Thank you very
Michel.
much. Good evening or good morning to everybody all around the world. Good evening here in Anceny, France, headquarters of Manitou Group. My name is Michel Denis. I'm the President and CEO of Manitou Group. What a great moment to share this reveal with you. Satisfying our customers in the construction equipment market has always been part of Manitou DNA. And today, in a world in constant evolution, as you've seen, the construction market is expanding and expecting to increase by 15% per year in the years to come. So much opportunity for you, for all of us, fantastic opportunities. Manitou, with 60 years of strong experience in construction equipment manufacturing, our core success relies on the extreme expertise, the extreme commitment, performance of our team, of our people. Furthermore, our 3,300 employees all around the world, from designing, engineering, production, distribution services, are sharing one ambition, only one ambition. You are at the center of our actions. Our daily concern is to find the best machine, the best services for you, to give you the highest value, to meet your expectations. Always at the forefront of innovation, you've seen a lot of new innovation in those machines. New stabilizer for more safety, new frame rigidity for more efficiency, new cab, new comfort, new dashboard, a complete connected machine, easy to use. It's a breakthrough in the market. It's a breakthrough in the market at the lowest total cost of ownership. This machine, a 3-in-1 machines, those two machines, they were designed to ease your life. They were designed by our people for you. So now, enough talking. I think it's time for the reveal. So, ladies and gentlemen, all around the world, now I'm calling them MRT 3050 and MRT 2470. The floor is yours. Amazing, fantastic. David Moreno, please a big warm applause for David Moreno. Fantastic, great professional. You know, this is not the professional way of using the machine. You know, it's very exceptional, very exceptional. So you have the two machines behind me, the 3050 and the 2470, the highest capacity in the world. Please, Laurent and Thomas, join me on stage. Thank you for your presentation. We absolutely want to thank you very much for having followed the first digital live broadcast of Manitou Group. For further information, our fantastic dealer network in the world, our subsidiaries are at your disposal, or go direct on the web on manitou.com. Thank you to you all.